Welcome to this walk around video. Today I'm going to showcase this 2020 model year GLC43 AMG. So it is on a 69 registered plate and it is finished in Obsidian Black metallic and does come with a lot of lovely specification. As you can see, you've got the panoramic front grille and of course the Multibeam LED headlights. Moving to the alloys, you do have the 21-inch diamond gloss black alloys, running boards down the side along with your privacy glass and roof rails. And as this is the facelift, you do also have the facelifted tail lights and rear diffuser with the quad exhausts. It is a two-owner vehicle from new and does come with a full Mercedes and specialist service history. It does have the two-tone red and black leather interior, which I haven't seen all too often on these. The sliding panoramic sunroof, Burmester sound system, and you do have the black ashwood interior trim. Inside you've got the flat bottom AMG leather steering wheel, and of course you do have heated front seats with the memory package and mirror package being your folding mirrors. Does have the digital driver's display with the AMG specific dials, and you can see your sat nav is displayed there as well. The new infotainment display does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your nav and 360-degree cameras. Of course your climate control, and you do have a wireless charger in that center console as well. Does of course also have the AMG sports exhaust system and all your ride control suspension settings. It's covered just over 27,000 miles as well. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.